In the spirit of love and affectionate, National Reading Culture Charity Excellence Team has put smiles on the faces of children with special needs. In Ijebu Ode, the team visited 2 orphanage homes, including Focus on Disabilities Foundation, Latogo and Erobodo Center for Children with Special Needs, as part of its commitment to humanitarian service and support for vulnerable children in the society. Ifeolu Ashaolu was part of the visitation and files in the report.
The National Reading Culture Charity Excellence Team, as part of its commitment to humanitarian service, displayed compassion and community service by extending support to children with special needs in Ijebu Ode, Ogun State. Amongst the homes visited by the team include Focus on Disability Foundation in Latogun and Erobodo Center for Children with Special Needs in Ijebu Ode, where essential items were donated to the children. In his address, leader of the team, Mr. Seni Agbolade, commended managers of the orphanage homes, emphasized on the need for promotion of national reading culture, helping and giving opportunities to the people in need.
We are encouraging people to focus, to bring back the reading culture that can help us as a society. So not just that alone, we work with the publishers, authors, freelancers to make their work known. The work is not complete without involving the vulnerable ones of the society. In this area, we engage in philanthropy and charitable activities to make sure that the hope, the love and hope is well spread and touch everybody inclusively without leaving anybody out.
Children of Focus on Disability Foundation expressed their appreciation to NRSC members for their support and love.
We want to thank NRC Charity for the donation of provisions. Thank you. May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
Thank you. May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
Representatives of the National Reading Culture Team pledged for more support for children with disabilities and less privileged, noting that small acts of kindness can make a significant difference. Also alongside the admin officer at Erobodo Center, Mrs. Odunsi Olushola expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the NRC members for their support and efforts.
We just introduced this program to Ijebu Ode here, and we felt we need to show love to the less privileged. That's why we were there, and we are here again to show them that NRC love them.
We want to impact their lives. That's why we said we should bring this token to them.
On behalf of Erobodo management staff and the children, we'd like to say a big thank you to NRC Charity Foundation for this wonderful gift, because I know it's going to go a long way for the children using it.
The team also took groups photograph at the 2 orphanage homes as a mark of remembrance. In Ijebu Ode, Ifeolu Ashaolu, NTA News.